and gentlemen, my name's Ajay, and allow me to introduce you to Miss Beauty, Dipali.
Thank you, Ajay. Or should I say, Mr. Health?
Now, this is BioC extended release. It looks like a tablet, but this is an extraordinary tablet. What it does is that you just need to take it in the morning once, and then throughout the day, this will release the essential nutrients in your body, whatever time your body requires. That's the kind of technology we are packing in our products. And we are the pioneers in this.
Amway Home SA8 pre-wash spray. So,
Woo!
so you just spray it on the spot, if there's any spot on your cloth, and when you spray this, it vanishes. Amazing,
Woo!
isn't it?
Amway koi kasar nahi choda in making products which are better and much more useful. We make some of the most amazing products in the world, and we are proud of it.
All right, so yes, Ajay, so ladies and gentlemen, as we go further beyond, let me first talk about the kind of R&D that goes behind making Amway products. Over the years, Amway has made very strong inroads in research and development and has been giving you the products which help people live better lives. We have created a very strong base in global research and have been coming out with wonderful, innovative products. And we strongly believe in giving you the best of nature and the best of science. What Amway did years back, let me tell you, almost 80 years back, Amway talked about phytonutrients, that is the nutrition from plant, and added it to the first vitamin and supplement brand Nutrilite. And most of you must have grown up using Nutrilite, that the world is talking about today. We could discover the genetic mapping many years back, and we have come out with personalized nutrition based on the genetic mapping. And today, the world is talking about that. And in 1959, Amway introduced its first LOC biodegradable product, which actually at that point in time, people didn't know what is biodegradable. There were no laws for environment-friendly products. So that's where our vision is. That's how far we have reached in research and development, and that's how we have been moving.
Wow, Amway creates products for every generation. In India, protein was never considered to be an essential supplement. But Amway came and changed the ideology. In fact, we have been the pioneers to promote healthcare and skincare as an active part of your life in India. And our commitment to India is serious as we build a brand new plant at a cost of 500 crores in the country. With 150 strong products in health, beauty, and home segments, we are a brand which has always sought to be the best. In a sense, we are a brand with attitude, power, and style. That Amway has some of the best solutions in lifestyle, in health, in beauty, for the needs of all generations, whether it's baby boomers, whether it's Gen X, or it's Gen Y. And I'm sure we'll continue to listen to the needs of Gen Z and beyond.
And I think all of you would agree over here that when we say that joining Amway family is one of the best decisions your parents have made. And let me tell you, this will be one of the best decisions which you guys can make by joining Amway family. So, guys and girls, a question to you. Tell me, where else will you get a career where you get such wonderful world-class product from the fastest growing categories of health and beauty, which is 50,000 crore and more in India today?
Where else would you get the freedom to be your own boss and decide your own hours and get to know so many great people? Where else would you get brand ambassadors like Ronaldinho to work with? How cool is that?
And where else will you get to go to so many events, fashion shows, sports events, fitness programs, and party as well?
Where else would you earn so much commission? We have paid over $39 billion in commission since our inception, the highest in the health and beauty industry.
Ajay, you forgot to mention one thing. Commissions are high, skyrocketing, but you know guys, this is a business where you do not need to have very high investment, as low investment as possible, and you're into the business and you're running.
Where else would you get a 100% money back guarantee on across all product categories? That's the confidence which we have in our products.
And where else would you get such huge recognitions? Let me tell you, we have been in India for 15 years, and there are lots of successful Amway distributors who already have been to international events 15 or 20 times. And there are few successful distributors who have been to more than 30 locations in just 15 years of time, thanks to Amway.
Speaking of cool, where else would you get such digitally aligned business? We have cool apps for some of our Gen Y products, be it the Artistry Makeover app or be it the Body Key app. It's really giving you customized solutions in the field of health and beauty.
And when we talk of digital, where else would you get a complete e-learning programs? We have e-learning training sessions and the certification as well. You have all the detailed training programs for about your products, complete range, business, and lots more with downloads of videos and films just at your fingertips. Hey guys, Amway believes in investing in future.
Beauty ho ya health, apps ho ya e-learning, China ho ya London, where else would you get such an exciting, profitable, future-ready and cool business? Which business will give you minimum investment, maximum rewards, recognition, friends, satisfaction, money, and so many more things? Ladies and gentlemen, the answer lies in
Amway.